Hi guys. I need mic. Shit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am being very careful because I have so many products right now in my hand. I asked for a bag but they did not give me. That's all right. We'll try to manage. So as you can see, all of these I got from one single brand. Let me keep them here. I'm so scared. I might drop them. Alright, so all of these are from the brand called Pilgrim. So in this video we are going to do one single brand review video. So let's get started quickly. Weird. Here. Also weird. Better. So recently I visited in Orbit Mall and there was a sale going on. The sale was with all the brands. However, since I am using Pilgrim since a couple of years and I have been liking the products, I thought I should utilize this sale, and I've got so many things. So if I had to buy these on Nykaa or Myntra, I would have paid at least 20-30% extra, because they also have discounts, but they were giving like 40% discount something. They said like 1+1 offer, you buy anything and you will get discount. So I thought it's a good deal, fair deal. So I bought so many things. I'm gonna show you what all I have got. So first of all, I'll start with the hair care products. So I have got this is one of their best sellers. This is Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island, Korea. Redensil Anagen Advanced Hair Growth Serum with green tea. And this is another one. This is a different one. This is called Advanced Hair Care Serum with Sea Scalp. With 3% Redensil and 4%, and again almost same formula but a little different, maybe, or they're exactly the same. Let me see. Only difference that I see is that it's a kind of a pump and this is kind of a dropper, and this is my, I don't know, I have used 3 or 4 bottles of these already. Whenever I use them they do wonders, but I'm not using these days regularly because of my sinus issue. But this definitely works really well. So it's a highly recommended product. These both are same, but this one says percentages. This one says percentages and it's kind of a spray. This is a 50 ml bottle. It retails for 895 rupees, and this is a 30 ml bottle and this retails for 595 rupees. So I got both of them at 45% discount. Next, again in the hair care section, I have got this one. I kind of have a lot of faith in Pilgrim's products, at least for the hair. So I thought I should give it a try, and I got a hair mask for myself. This is called a Soothing Hair Mask, Keratin and Amazonian Patau, sulfate and paraben free for dry and frizzy hair, which is right now the condition of my hair. So I thought this would be good one. Experience strong, healthy and shiny hair. It fortifies hair, frizz controls and soft and silky feel it will give is what they are claiming. And this jar retails for 550 rupees and the quantity is 200 grams. Okay, so those are the details. Texture looks pretty normal. As you can see, I just got it, I haven't used it at all. This is like full right now. Smells nice, it's not overpowering, so I'm having a lot of faith on this. I never used it. The previous serums I can vouch for them because I have used them, but this one is a new trial for me. So maybe in the next video, product review videos when I make, maybe I'll include the actual review of this. So next category is the skincare. So in skincare I have got 2 creams and 1 serum. So I'll start with the big one. This one is Korean rice water hydro glow moisturizer with 5% hyaluronic acid and 3% niacinamide. It's a light gel cream suitable for all skin types. It's 100 grams and it retails for 395 rupees, and they claim to give 5 times deep hydration, 150% instant hydration and quick absorbing. It is enriched with Korean rice water. So this is what the product is. So let me open and show you. So this is how the packaging looks like. A normal plastic container, and it has a stopper here with the smells amazing. It's like very light jelly texture, like cake topping, the cream on the cake kind of texture. Smells really soothing. Actually, it's not overpowering at all. That's what I like about Pilgrim's products, because they are very, very lightweight and they are gentle, and the fragrance is very mild, like you can tolerate them. And this Hydra Glow moisturizer, I have got it recently because, you know, since I am aging, I just want to take care of my skin better. I want to maintain the hydration, so this is one of the best choice I thought. So maybe detailed review I'll do it in future. Next one is this one. I know both are skincare, but I got it just in case I want to try some other formulation, so I got this one too. This is oil-free gel moisturizer with Korean white lotus, and it's for oily and acne-prone skin. So sometimes, and it's enriched with 5% niacinamide. So sometimes it happens that my skin is actually a combination. It's not oily, it's not dry, but sometimes I feel too sticky, sometimes I feel extremely dry. So that's why I've got both of them. So depending upon my skin condition, I can pick one of these. This one is a 50 grams pack and it retails for 495 rupees. As usual, black packaging inside. This is how the box looks like. Standard Pilgrim packaging with a stopper. Ah, smells amazing. It's super light, gel-like texture, but the smell is little strong. I don't hate it, but it's a little strong for my liking. Let's see. I hope if the product works well, then there's no harm in using it, because as I said, sometimes my skin becomes sensitive, sometimes it's super dry. So I hope this cream will suit my skin. Now the last thing in the skincare category is this one. It's a serum. So this is one of the very, very popular serum. Again, this is not my experience. I am taking the inputs of others who have used it. I have seen so many reviews and everybody claimed it to be good. I thought, let me try it. So it's a 24 karat gold serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. It's fragrance free and it's suitable for all the skin types. This is a 20 ml bottle and it retails for 695 rupees. Okay, so I managed in one shot, thank God. I will show you the bottle. Bottle looks super cute. I've seen this, like I have opened everything. So this is how the bottle looks like. Looks extraordinary, I would say, ultra luxurious. Those gold particles are looking stunning. So I have high hopes on this. I've invested so much on this with 45% discount, but yeah, I have invested so much on this, so I have a lot of hope on it. That's about the hair care and skincare. Now coming to my favorite part, which is makeup. Now in makeup, as you might have seen me in other videos also, the only two things predominantly that I use are lipstick and kajal, in which kajal is missing today in my video because that's my second number priority. My highest priority is lipstick. Without lipstick, you will never see me in any video. Okay, so that's why I've got two of their lipsticks. There were so many other varieties also available. Like I selected these two for today. So these are the two lipsticks that I've got. One is in crayon form and the other one is a classic bullet lipstick. So we'll start with the bullet lipstick first. So this one is a Pilgrim, the Spanish collection matte me up lipstick with SPF 30, and so this gives you velvet matte finish, one swipe, high payoff, lightweight, non-drying, with Spanish squalene and hyaluronic acid. This retails for 595 rupees. And how much product we get? 4.2 grams. Okay, that's the net weight product. And here is the lipstick. I really like the packaging though. Packaging is like solid. I have seen so many influencers show this mechanism and it is actually true. The cap is like magnetic, feels really luxurious. So this is how the cap looks like. This part looks like a mirror. I don't think it will serve the purpose, but yeah, it can. Then the actual lipstick, and this is the product that you get. Okay, so I have chosen a very realistic shade, I would say, which will suit everyone. So this is how the shade looks like. They said one swipe application. So this is one swipe, this is like multiple swipes. Anyhow, this is the shade that I'm talking about. Texture is definitely very creamy. Smells very mild sweet fragrance. And the shade is shade number 31 Nude Kiss. Perfect for your daily wear. So that's number 1. And the next one is this. This is Pilgrim, the Spanish collection Matte Me Up lip crayon with primer and matte finish. So that was velvet finish, and this is matte finish. And this one, how much product do we get? We get 1.4 grams, very less, for 795 rupees. Expensive comparatively, but that's okay. So this is the shade that I have got, and this is also very close to, you know, daily wear kind of shade. And this is the product that you get. Let me show you the swatch of it. So one swipe is this, and multiple swipes is this. So this is this one, and one single swipe is also pretty dark. It is actually giving coverage in one single swipe. Both are very close shades, though a little difference is definitely there. This is more neutral, and this is like kind of reddish color, brick red kind of color, which I really like. So I'm super excited. As you can see, the shades, they look stunning. So I have been using lipsticks from different brands. I am trying to move towards, what do we say, more natural. I wouldn't say natural, but you know what, chemical free kind of lipsticks, because lipstick is something which I wear too much. Like if I'm going anywhere, I have to wear lipstick. If I don't want to wear lipstick, at least a tinted lip balm is something which I will use. Because I have two different color tones of my lips. Like my upper lip is a little brown and the lower lip is normal. So that's why, to keep them in sync, I always use a tinted lip balm at least. So that's it. So these are the products which I have got from Pilgrim. And here, this is the one brand video. I hope you like this, and I'll be coming up with more such videos in future also. So stay tuned. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye. Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and it's fragrance free. What happened to me? And it's suitable for once again.